Looking for a super speedy pasta dish what uses ingredients you already have in your pantry? Well, look no further, because in this episode of Meal Prep we're going to make a variant of an Italian ragu that's super beefy, super flavourful and high in protein. First of all, you need to prepare your onion. This does not need to be super small, it can be quite roughly chopped, but just make sure it's a medium to small size. Next, you need to prepare your garlic. Start by crushing the cloves of garlic. I find this releases much more flavour, and then chop the garlic roughly into pieces. Add some oil to your pan and get it really hot, then add your minced beef or your choice of protein. I'm using 10% minced beef, but you use whatever fits your macros. Break it up with a wooden spoon or utensil of choice, brown the meat and get that intense flavour on it. Put your meat to one side when it's browned and cooked through so that we can make the sauce. For the sauce, start by cooking your onions with a little bit of salt until the onions are translucent. Throw that garlic into the mix and cook for around 1 minute before adding the tomatoes. Whack in 2 beautiful tins of tomatoes and crush them up with a wooden spoon, or use chopped tomatoes instead. When you've whacked up those beautiful tomatoes, add your minced beef and around 300 millilitres of stock to give it a beautifully beefy flavour. Remember to season as you go along. Here I'm adding some cayenne pepper because I like a bit of kick to my ragu, but if you don't like pepper or you can't take the heat, don't use it. While your sauce simmers away, add some salt to some boiling water and start to cook your pasta for a minute less than the packet of instructions or until al dente. When your pasta is ready, mix it with that wonderful beefy sauce until it becomes an even consistency. Split into 4 equal portions across Tupperware containers and add a cheese of choice. After all, how could this be Italian if you haven't got some Parmesan or some Pecorino Romano? And here we're left with this beautiful beef ragu, whether you have this for a family of 4 for a dinner one night or whether you're meal prepping for the gym. Remember guys, you can keep this in the refrigerator for around 4 days and in the freezer for around 4 months. It doesn't have to be meal prep. This can be a family meal which is quick and accessible to everyone. So thanks for watching guys, really appreciate it. 93% haven't subscribed, so I'd appreciate if you could hit that subscribe button, like the video if you like it, and I'll see you soon. Thank you very much.